Hello students, welcome to lecture number 6 of BRM. In previous classes we have also discussed different types of research, but over there classification criteria were something else. Today again we are studying different types of research based on the results of the research. That what this type of research will do for us, or when we should use that type of specific research. So in this regard, we have got three types of research types. Number one, exploratory research. Number second, descriptive research. Number third, causal research. Before explaining them, I will tell you that the first type of research is the most simple, or we can say simplest research. Then this research is the building unit of this research. It is a little bit complicated as compared to this one. Our exploratory research provides building blocks or building units for descriptive research, and descriptive research is the building unit of causal research. Or we can say that is, we are moving from exploratory research to descriptive research, and then from descriptive research to causal research, it becomes more complicated. So now starting from the first one, exploratory research. It means that this type of research explores. It shows us. It gives information. It gives ideology. It gives mentality what to do. Normally, when we are using this type of research, when we are going to launch a new product, then for getting the ideas about the new product, we are conducting a research. It is called exploratory research. Now coming to its definition, written definition, it is exploratory research is conducted to clarify ambiguous situation or discover ideas that may be potential business opportunities. We are conducting a survey. We are conducting a research in the market, in the external environment, with different groups of people to know about the demand, to know about the consumer preferences, consumer liking and disliking, all these things. So this type of research, exploratory research. Like nowadays, robotic technology is becoming popular day by day, in different manufacturing or producing companies. They are trying their best to introduce robotic technology in which the robot performs functions like a human labor. So for this purpose, they are conducting different types of research in the market to know the mentality of the people, to collect ideas from people. Like they are asking questions from the people that what different activities you are expecting to be performed by a robot after some years. So different people are providing different ideas. Like some people will say that robot will be performing walking and walking function of human being. Other people will say that robot will provide the labor function of the human being. And some people will say that robot will perform the function of differentiation between different items like human being. So they conducted this exploratory research for introducing robotic technology to manufacturing companies. So we can say that we are using this exploratory research in the market to know about business opportunities, threats, new trends, and to collect different ideas from our customer before launching a new product or service in the market. This is called exploratory research. Next, when you have conducted the exploratory research, it gives you some ideas. It gives you a starting step guideline. It doesn't give you with the complete conclusion. It is not the end. It is the starting point. So, we are using this exploratory research, what to start, how to start, what is new in the market, how to know about new opportunities, threats, ideas of the people, preferences of the people, their liking, disliking, demands, etc., change in the taste of the consumer. So this type of research is called exploratory research. But it is very simple, and it is the first step to find out a conclusion or to find out a result. By itself it is not a result, but it is an entry to the research field. Then we have got descriptive research. It describes things. It describes all WH questions for us. Who, when, where, what, why. All when we are trying to find out answers about these questions, this will be done through the descriptive research. Or we can say that it describes the characteristics of objects, people, groups, organizations, or environment. It gives us the complete information. In other words, this research addresses who, what, when, where, and how questions. Like conducting population survey. Now we are conducting population survey, population census about the people, to know about their different groups basis on the age, percentage of male, female, young, old, to know about the employment and unemployment rate, to know about their living standards, to know about the economic situation of the country based on the people, incomes, average income of the people, GDP, GNP, all these things. So such types of research, they are giving explanations of WH questions. How many people, what percentage, what percentage of people are employed, what is the percentage of unemployment, what is the percentage of employment in the society, what is literacy rate. When we are conducting research about these social issues, social problems, such types of research are called descriptive research. Or it describes market segments. Segmentation you have studied in previous semesters. What is segmentation? Segmentation dividing the customers into different groups. One group of which we are calling it a segment. In segment, all the customers are having similar characteristics based on demographic characteristics, psychographic characteristics, geographic characteristics, behavioral characteristics. So then the marketers are trying, the companies are trying to target one specific segment. So identifying these different segments, we are conducting a specific research which we are calling it descriptive research. Or we can say that descriptive research is the forward step of exploratory research. In exploratory research, we are coming up with an idea. In exploratory research, we are exploring that idea. We are finding all WH questions of that idea which have been found out over there by exploratory research. So this is called descriptive research. It describes, it explores, it elaborates different WH questions or we can say that in businesses we are using it for market segmentation or to know about all questions of the society. So this is called descriptive research. Next type of research is causal research. Causal research, it gives us the cause and effect relationship. It is a little bit advanced type of research. Cause and effect relationship. Cause, the reason of something, and effect, the outcome, the input and output, the outcome of something. So this type of research, we are calling it causal relation. Causal research. Like in organization, something is happening. Performance is poor. What is the cause of the poor performance? Effect. The poor performance is the effect. So what is its cause? So when we are conducting this research, obviously it is advanced research. This type of research is causal research. Or we can say your sale is decreasing day by day. The sale is the effect, but there is something which is causing this effect. So the reason of this we will be finding out through a specific type of research, which we are calling it causal research. So these were 3 types of research based on which type of research we are using for finding a specific thing. So thank you very much, students. See you in the next class. Be with me. Khuda Hafiz.